Rub that flour and bicarb in. Really good mixture there. The different stages of growth, like they start off red.
My head is a box filled with nothing, and that's the way I like it.
Hi, looks like it's time for another one of Big Stace's cooking adventures. Today on the menu, Kilimin taku. Take a look at that. Alright, first thing, 250 grams of plain flour. A bit hard to get out early in the morning. And yep, into the bowl it goes. Just chuck a bit of bicarb in, not too much, you don't want to go too heavy on this stuff. That's about it. And we got the chicken next, so we'll just grab a knife, and you want to be real careful when slicing this open, just not to get the fingers. Yep, she's fresh. The camera over, mate. As you can see, just get the hands right in there, and yep, it's separating nicely. Rub that flour and bicarb in. Really good mixture there. Alright. Just before I put the eggs in, put some little dash of mint sauce. I never go without mint sauce. Put it in all of my dishes. Recommend it to everyone. Lots of it. As much as you want, really. And I'll grab those eggs. Just crack them. And it's looking like it needs a little bit more liquid. Bring the camera over again. And you just sort of pour it in until it looks about right. That's pretty good. Bring camera over again, mate, and I'll just show you what it should look like at this stage. You got your 2 fillets, nicely cooked with the mixture on top. Nice sauce to go with it. As some of you may know, I'm a big man for the flavours. Now, I'm using a bit of baking powder here, which some people think it's the same as bicarb, but it's totally different. Just want a good dollop of that. Lid on. Next you got your thyme. Very nice on everything, really. Nice bit of pork, get your thyme on. Nutmeg, the ground one, of course. And that's where your flavours really come from. Enhanced, of course, a little pinch of salt, sugar, there it is. I thought we were out, but we actually have some. Just like to put a good bit of sesame oil in. Really balances out the 2 flavours between the chicken and the sauce. Very nice. Alright, as well as your vanilla extract. Put a bit of that in. Some bit of pepper in before, I don't think. Some of that. Rice wine vinegar, a compliment to any dish. I first tasted it when I was about 6, when my great grandpa he carked it, and this is what we have at the wake, and I've never looked back. Plenty of that. And what else are we missing? Tomato sauce, yep. Bit of that in. Always like to chuck in a couple of fish oil tablets. Now these, well actually, they'll just dissolve in your dish, so chuck those in. A few more salt. Next we're putting in the onion, and what we need for this is your high prescription sunnies. Pick these ones up at barley. And just stab her and slide her in the bowl. Alright. Right, finishing off with a dash of sage. The cloves, just ground ones. Great smell. Great smell. And I like to put a bit of colouring in. Turns my dishes up a little. Yep, it's coming around nicely there. It is a challenge to mix with the chicken in there, but
looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does. And lastly, we're going to go to the garden and get some fresh herbs to really give it that extra spice. Now, by the looks of this one, you can smell that lovely aroma. That's your Singaporean gum tree. It's smaller than the Australian gum tree. It gives that really nice flavour in some of your more cultural dishes. And just got your basil. Grab a clump of that, just like that here. Get in and smell that here. I'll go to the camera, mate. Get in and smell that. Get your nose right in there. Yep, get your nose right in there, mate.
Good.
Lovely. Now back on the camera. Alright, and
mate, do you use any chilies? Got a bit of chilies over there.
Yeah, we'll chuck a few chilies in.
Tell us about the colours.
Right.
What do the colours mean?
The colours are just, you know, the stages, the different stages of growth. Like, they start off red, turn into their orange, affected by the sun, and then go to this lovely green colour. So grab some of those green ones, and there's a
dirty.
The red ones aren't as nice, but there is some big ones of those, so we'll grab those, and we'll get an orange one as well. Alright, back to the kitchen. Now that we've got our herbs, just jog up here. Alright, now let's just dice up these herbs. Really can smell some lovely aromas coming off that Singaporean gum tree. There's your chilli. As you can see, not very ripe, that one. Just cut it up nice and big. Oh, look at that, very ripe, that one. Lovely. Lovely to see. Hear that crunch. And to the mixture we go. Just while we're waiting for the pan to heat up, I like to have a little lick of the ingredient. Needs a little bit more salt. Yeah. Alright, so we're ready to chuck the chicken in the pan and get this baby sizzling. There's one fillet. There's two. Lovely. And don't worry, this sauce is not going to be wasted. This is going in the pan, ready for the baking, which the chicken will go in when it's 75% cooked, about 70, 73, around there. You don't want it 100%, trust me. Just experience over the years tells you that chicken cooked too much, not good for you. Let's get all that mixture. Do you want to run your tongue around there, mate?
No, I'll be right at the moment, I'll be right.
Looks good, doesn't it? Saving yourself for the big thing at the end, eh? Alright. I'll just bring that last fillet out onto the dish, like that, and just, that one's got a little damage, you might not serve that one. Yeah. Take a bit back. Have a smell, quick before I put it in. And we go into the oven at and we're done. Let's pull out this bad boy and take a look. Smell that aroma. Lovely. Thanks for being with us today on Big Stace's Cooking Adventures. I'll see you next time. See you when it's done. Yep, you know, right in there, mate. Good. Lovely.